So here we are again, day 7. Oil filter housing. Got that pretty much nice and tidy. Take a little bit of oil. Still got to clean the reservoir a little bit. Power steering pump's nice and clean. And look at this. Look at that. If you go back into my other video, you'll see that this here was covered with about a quarter inch of gunk. Got all that crap out of there. Engine is nice and clean now. No grease, no oil. I'm going to scrape all this rust out of here, this rusty paint flakes. We'll get all that stuff out of there and we'll hit it with some high temperature paint.
Dad, can we use the living room? Sure. And the basement?
No main seal. Nice and cleaned up.
That's because Xfinity X5 gives our house great fast.
This side cleaned up best as we can without taking the headers off.
Pause the home Wi-Fi to any device at any time. Chris, I need
oil
you to set
pan.
the dinner table, please. I will after I download this
Thing
video.
black.
Hey, we'll pause
All
my
throughout
Wi-Fi.
here. All black.
Piece of cake.
That was all black.
Fast in-home Wi-Fi that you can control with
Still got a little bit of gunk up in here.
Online, pause your Wi-Fi, or even set a curfew for the
Better than it was.
That's simple, easy, awesome.
Still debating whether I want to paint that. I think I might just do that. But anyway, for now. One more other thing, that was the undercarriage tray. Pressure washed that, degreased it. Got it as clean as possible. I was just looking at this heat shield here. I think I'm going to polish that as well. Have it nice and shiny. But we're getting there. Stay tuned in.